Hi, hope everybody had a restful night. I made a fresh pot of coffee because I ran out of coffee. I'm having this beautiful pastry that Tic Tac Tony gave me so many things. Yesterday, cucumber, mortadella, ham, banana, cotton candy grapes, bread, potato salad, macaroni salad, prosecco. What else? I had to write it down because she gave me the bags when she picked me up. So I ran inside. I got my lentil soup. It's the first thing. I'm going to have it tomorrow because I already took out something for today. Before I forget, peace, love, and coffee. Good morning. Avocado, tomatoes, Persian pickles, Persian cucumbers. I shared with my sister. I bought my bananas. I brought stuff down to my sister. I think I gave her an apple turnover. What else? I can't remember because I put it away before we went to the restaurant, which was a great French restaurant, Chez Olivia. Ava got the mussels, I got the branzino, and Tony went for the salmon with salad. We shared appetizers, and we shared the desserts. Those donuts stuffed with ice cream, delicious. Creme brulee, of course, is always a hit, and the lemon tart with the lemon sorbet. Oh my God, delicious. These are my last two hard-boiled eggs. I was going to make egg salad, but I said, oh my God. This was a good batch. It's Sunday. Burn the candle. Put on the new sheets, the fancy sheets, and put on your fanciest clothes. Don't save anything for any. Today's a special day. Every day is a special day. Alan Alda birthday today. I love him. Nick Carter. Ariel Winter. She grew up. Sam Phillips. Marty Freid. Susan Howard. Who remembers Dallas? I forgot what her name was in Dallas. Dick Taylor. Gene McFadden. I picked him. Barbara Benton. Barbie Benton. She was adorable. She's still adorable. And Elijah Wood. Today's Pediatrician Day. Krista McAuliffe Day. I remember that day. I went food shopping. I was taking the groceries out of the car. The car was running. The radio was running, playing. And they announced that the spaceship exploded. And they were all, assumed dead. I just stood there. That's today, 1986. Data privacy, fat chance of that happening. Global community engagement, awareness. Reducing CO2 emissions, awareness. Lego Day, good day for Lego movie. Today's names are Amy and Tina. Blueberry Pancake Day. Daisy Day. Kazoo Day. It's a musical instrument, but I always think of Kazoo from Flintstones. He's my another favorite alien. Pop art, rattlesnake roundup. Thank a plugin developer, technology, and leprosy awareness. 51 days till spring. This is so good. Oh, wait a minute. It's filled with something. It's a jelly donut. Oh my God. Or whatever. Not a jelly donut. A jelly finger or something. So good. Oh my God. And I got another pastry. I don't even know. God. It's Sunday. Don't worry. Don't hurry. Enjoy your day. Tony is one of the most generous people I've ever met in my life. And fun. Me and Ava both adore her. She got Ava beautiful flowers, chocolates, and about a Prosecco also, or white wine. I think she knows it. She knows what you like. The girl listens, not like me. I'm a scatterbrain. It's 40 degrees out there, and it's raining, and it's going to rain all day, I think. So I'm just going to go see my mom. And I took out meatballs. And I gotta use them. I gotta have the meatballs today. Maybe I'll make a salad with the Persian. Tomatoes, Persian. That restaurant, people, it was packed. Because we forgot. We usually go out on a Friday, early Friday. But this was a Saturday afternoon. And weekends are brunch. The place was jumping with people. The people next to us had their little dog with them, He was a Tex. His name is Tex. What a good dog. Tony gave him her water. She asked the guy for a bowl. He brought a bowl. She gave him his water. He wanted the burger that the father was eating, or, he was eyeballing his mother and father. And they were giving him treats. Good dog. Packed. People are going out. It's good. Get together. Don't wait for a special occasion, because every day's a special occasion, okay? Enjoy your Sunday. Get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. And enjoy the rest of the weekend. And I hope you have sun by you. I hope it's a sunny day by you. If not, remember your umbrella.